Oh, there, now it's recording. Okay, I don't know why. Alright, so 3-jaw chuck, right? Cross slide, and then within here, if we look here, this is all the scale for there with a dead stop that's adjustable. The turret lathe part, which is all, everything moves smooth. And then this is the auto feed system here, with underneath here is all the speed changes, which this is actually dirty on the different speeds for feed. So gear selection here for all the different speeds. So I'll just bring it into one of them. Let's see the sweet spot there. So I'll turn it on. And then off. Or slow down. I'll put it in reverse. Oh, that's not reverse. That's low or high. Reverse. And back here is a 1-inch bar feed that goes in there. And then the 3-phase converter to run down here is for the household 220 coolant system. But yeah, it works great, cheap price. So, did you kind of sweep it or no?